Hello everybody and good day. This is Fred with Tech Talk, and we are coming at you today with a neat video on what to do in the event that you need to send a video clip from your video surveillance system to law enforcement or an insurance company or even your corporate office. If you have ever tried to do this via email, you have undoubtedly experienced an error message saying the file is too big to be processed through the email exchange server. It happens a lot. If the video is more than a minute, 2 minute in length, you'll get those. So the way around this, what we do is we use Amazon's AWS. It's a free service to a point. You can't store hours worth of video. But what you can do is you can upload your video clip to AWS, generate a URL code for that video, and send that to the receiving parties via an email link. And they can double click on the link, view the video, and download the video on their end. It's a great, free, useful tool. We're going to cover it right now. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes. You know the drill. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen so you'll be notified when we upload future content. Also, like this video if it's useful to you, and as always, leave comments. Most of these videos, such as this one, are based on subscriber questions and comments, so we appreciate that. But yeah, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to Google Amazon Web Services if you do not already have a AWS account. When you click that, you'll be prompted to create a free account. Okay, I have already done that. So if you have not, to catch up with the video, you can do that now. Once you create an account, you're simply going to sign into it. Okay, and when you sign into it, you will see a services tab. Okay, and it will show all of Amazon AWS's services. Down at the bottom, you will see storage, okay? And that's what we want, okay? We want S3, which is scalable storage in the cloud. So we're going to click on the S3. Okay, and once we do that, we need to create a bucket. We haven't used this tool yet, so we don't have a bucket to dump our files or our data in. So we're going to create bucket, and we're going to name our bucket. Okay, this does have to be all lowercase. You can't use capital digits. So let's just do YouTube tutorial, right? And you'll have to pick your region. We are not in Canada, folks. We are in the United States, and we're Eastern. Okay, so that's going to be our bucket. We do not want to block public access. Okay. The purpose of these videos are going to be to send the link to recipients and for them to be able to view them. Okay, so this is saying turning off block all public might result in the bucket becoming public, and that's what we want, so we can certainly acknowledge that. Okay, and then we're going to create our bucket, folks, and there it is. Okay, YouTube tutorial. Objects can be public, and it was created today. Okay, so the next thing we're going to have to do is what? We're going to have to add our video clip. Okay, there's a video link above on how to play back and download video. We don't have time in this tutorial to cover that. At this point, I have already downloaded a file, a surveillance file, to my downloads file. It's right here. As you can see, it's a video clip, okay? And so what I want to do with this is attach it to the cloud, okay? So in order to do that, we are going to open up AWS again. We're going to go into our bucket, okay? Double click on the bucket, and you'll see an uplink button. I'm sorry, upload. Once we hit upload, we're going to add our file, okay, which is that video, okay? So we can double click on that. Now, this is where we need to pay attention, folks, okay? A lot of people just hit upload and it's not going to work. You need to go into permissions, right here, okay? And under access control, we want to grant public read access, okay? It's defaulted private, so if you don't grant public, it's not going to work. And again, you're going to have to agree and understand to the risks, okay, of posting video. So you don't want to send anything sensitive in nature, okay? They're going to need to link to view it, okay? Nobody can view it without the link. And once your receiving party gets it, you can certainly delete it, but you need to agree to that risk. Okay, so once we do that, we can upload the video, and you'll see your little uploading bar here. We're at 22%, 35, 48. Let it finish. Okay, the upload succeeded. So now when we go to our bucket, okay, we will see our video. Okay, and from this you can open the video and make sure it plays. Oh, we picked another file. That's okay. It's still a downloaded file. You can get out of that. And right here, you will see the URL. That is what you want to share. Before you share it, you certainly want to double click on it and make sure it works. Okay? And it does. So what we can do is copy that, right? We can copy the link and we can go into our email. Send a new message. We'll just send it to ourselves. How's that? And we will say test YouTube. Okay? And then here we're going to paste the link. And we're going to send it to ourselves, right? Won't you guys be going through my email either? All right. Should be in our inbox, guys. Oh, it's not yet. Let's go to our send file, see what's going on here. Oh, it sent it. Okay. There's our clip. There's our video. Okay. Super simple. Again, it's a free tool. You have to use over 5 gigs before Amazon AWS will start charging you, and that is a lot of video. So it's a good tool. It resolves the problem of not being able to send large videos to other parties. Just sign up for AWS, create a bucket, and you are good to go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the field.